Strong compositions usually control your attention without needing loud effects or complicated visuals. Today, how to create guided visual flow layouts. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert 3 frames arranged diagonally or in a soft curved flow across the composition to establish movement. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully for continuity and balance. Select the background and apply a gradient that follows the same visual direction through the design. Add thin arrows or connecting line accents with low opacity to subtly guide attention from one section to another. Slightly rotate one frame to introduce natural energy while preserving structure. Use position tool